Hi grade 7s. Today's lesson corresponds to cycle 23 in your practice logs, and it's all about dotted quarter notes. Let's take a look at line 103. Line 103 is in 2/4 time and has lots and lots of eighth notes. It starts off pretty simply with a bar full of eighth notes. So if we were going to count that, we would count it as 1 and 2 and, or ta 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 ta. And again in bar 2 we've got the same idea, 1 and 2 and, ta 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 ta. In bar 3 though, things start to get a little weird looking, because the first eighth note is tied to the second eighth note, so we're not going to tongue there. And then the second eighth note is tied to the third eighth note, so we're not going to tongue there. And then they aren't tied, so we're going to tongue there. So we're going to tongue the first one, but the second eighth note, the and of 1, is part of a tie. And then the third eighth note, count 2, is also part of the tie. And then we tongue here. So we've got 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and... Now this is pretty ugly looking with the 2 ties, so we can simplify, because 2 eighth notes tied together is the same as a quarter note. So in bar 4, we see a quarter note tied to that last eighth note, which would be a quarter note tied to 1, so this quarter note is on count 1, and it's worth the and of 1 as well, and then this gets eaten up by the 2, and then we tongue on the and of 2. So this rhythm and this rhythm sound exactly the same. So now we have ta 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 ta. We want to get rid of the ties though, because I don't know about you, but I'm not so fond of seeing ties in my music. So when we get into bar 5 and bar 6, we find a way to bring this eighth note into the quarter note to get rid of the tie. And we do that by adding a dot to the quarter note. A dotted quarter note is worth 1.5 counts in 2, 4, 4, 4, or 3, 4 time. So this note's worth 1.5 counts. So in bar 5, we've got a 1.5 count note, that dotted quarter note, followed by that eighth note, or 1 plus the and plus the first half of 2, and then we tongue on the and. And then in bar 6, we've got the same thing, dotted quarter note followed by an eighth note. And in bar 7 and 8, we've got that dotted half note tied to a quarter note. So, it should sound like this. Or 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 1 and 1 and 1 and 1. The word for this lesson is dots. Thanks so much for watching, grade 7s. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll get back to you.